Yes.
Out!
Good plan, dude. That ain't no cardinal either. I don't think.
That's an ostrich. Nigga, that'll kill you, nigga. You gotta move back.
I'm getting back, dude.
Now let's kill that motherfucker.
How?
Let's get a bag and keep it inside. No, you probably pack the shit out that bag. Put it inside this box, dude.
How we gonna get back in there?
Bruh.
Bro!
Oh, snap. What is that?
A spider, dude. I was trying to grab the box and you move back.
What the fuck? That ain't how you say nobody's life, nigga. Trying to put the motherfucker on me and shit.
Dude.
That is not how you say somebody's life.
This is a spider. Ain't gonna kill
Man,
you,
that
dude.
motherfucking venom slap the shit out of my ass, man. That venom will make my ass high as a mall. Put some bread in that box.
Dude.
Put one piece of bread in the box.
I'm like, it's not gonna smell bread.
Nigga, eat bread. I'm just gonna bet that motherfucker get that box. Put it all the way by the lipsticks. That motherfucker more scared of you than you scared of me. But I'm more scared than that motherfucker.
Man, I'm about to throw something.
Watch out, I'll move it up. Damn, that motherfuckers. I thought them spiders was finna get it. Which one is it? I'm gonna whack
Right
this shit.
there.
I'm gonna fuck that bird up.
Man, I'm getting back. You tripping. You're not gonna kill it with a shirt. It's too scared to go in there and eat.
Nigga, no it ain't. Niggas gonna get tired of flying all around. That's a perfect game, nigga.
If I had my BB gun.
Slingshot shit. These motherfuckers still got Spider-Man too. Why? Why? I don't forget. This spider gonna eat that motherfucker. They gonna think that's Thanksgiving. That big thing. They can see us. It's right to food.
Dude, hold this.
Hold food. You about to what? You about to put some bird food on your hand? Scared of this bird.
No, man.
Stick your ass over there then. Crouch.
Oh, shit.
Nigga, don't slip, nigga. Come on, cuz. Take your ass to the bird.
He's about to get it.
Go, man. Throw it. Throw it in the That motherfucker killing himself. That motherfucker trying to commit suicide.
I'm about to get it.
Throw it in that spider web, cuz.
Dude, it's not gonna get stuck in there.
That shit was a piece of bread, man. If a motherfucking water bug can get stuck inside of it,